An Army major who worked with Cyber Command was in court today. Jason Musgrove, arrested last month and charged with production and distribution of child pornography. Federal investigators say he joined a private group that talked about incest on the app Kick. Authorities also say when Musgrove joined the chat, he sent pictures or video of an underage girl. They say he then continued to send messages back and forth to an undercover agent until they arrested him December 6th. Musgrove had a hearing today in federal court, and there's News Channel 6's Ashley Osborne live at the courthouse. Ashley?
Hey, Brad. Yeah, Jason Musgrove pleaded not guilty to 6 counts related to child pornography here in his indictment hearing in federal court today. Musgrove was brought into the courtroom in his orange prison jumpsuit. His hands were cuffed in front of him, and he was a good few inches shorter than the officers who brought him in. The judge told Musgrove the purpose of the hearing was to make sure he understood his constitutional rights, the charges against him, and the associated maximum penalties. There are 4 victims listed in court documents labeled as Minor Victim 1 or MV1 through MV4. Most of the charges are linked to Minor Victim 1. Court documents do not disclose who the victims are, nor will they because of their age. There was also a brief description about the evidence the government has gathered up until this point. Musgrove's court-appointed lawyer told the judge he'll need 28 days to review it before any pre-trial hearings. The government also requested that Musgroves be kept in jail up until trial, and he waived his right to a detention hearing, so he will. Reporting live from the federal courthouse in downtown Augusta, Ashley Osborne, WJBF News Channel 6.